If your Epic Games Launcher downloads are moving slower than you expected, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you a few simple fixes that can help increase download speed fast. These steps are easy to follow and they can make a real difference whether you're downloading a big game, an update, or a new launcher file. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software and gaming guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, check your internet connection speed. Sometimes the problem is not the Epic Games Launcher itself, but your network connection. If your internet is busy with other devices or other apps are using bandwidth in the background, your download speed can slow down a lot. You can do a quick speed test if you want to confirm whether your connection is performing normally. If your internet seems unstable, that is the first thing to fix before changing anything else. Next, try pausing and resuming the download. This is a simple trick, but it often helps refresh the download process and can temporarily improve speed. To do this, open the Epic Games Launcher, go to your download, click pause, wait a few seconds, and then click resume. In many cases, that alone can kick the download back into a better connection state and get it moving faster again. If that does not help, the next step is to restart Epic Games Launcher completely. Closing and reopening the launcher can clear temporary glitches and reset the connection between your PC and the Epic's servers. Make sure you fully exit the launcher, not just minimize it. Then open it again and check whether the download speed improves. This is a very common fix and is worth trying anytime the launcher feels stuck or unusually slow. Another helpful step is to restart your router. Your router can sometimes build up connection issues over time, especially if it has been running for a long time or multiple devices are using it heavily. Power off your router, wait about 30 seconds, and turn it back on. Once your internet reconnects, try to download again in Epic Games Launcher. A fresh network connection can often help stabilize download performance. You should also disable any VPN if you are using one. VPNs can sometimes add extra routing steps between you and the Epic Games servers, which may reduce speed or create instability. If you have a VPN enabled, turn it off temporarily and test the download again. In many cases, downloading without a VPN gives you a faster and more direct connection. After trying these steps, go back to the launcher and check the download speed again. If your speed has improved, great, you're done. If not, you can repeat the process and make sure nothing else on your network is interfering with the download. It is also a good idea to avoid streaming, large file uploads, or other downloads while Epic Games is running, because those can all affect performance. So to quickly recap, if you want to increase Epic Games Launcher download speed, first check your internet connection speed, then pause and resume the download, restart Epic Games Launcher, restart your router, and disable your VPN if you are using one. These are the fastest and most practical fixes to try before moving on to more advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials that save you time and make gaming setup easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.